Hi, it's Fisher from Sewmate. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to draft a bell sleeve pattern. So this sleeve has a smooth cap and a flared hemline. So you can decide on the length of your sleeve. It can either be above the elbow, at the elbow line, or at the wrist line or hemline. You will need a basic sleeve block pattern to do this. I've got a tutorial on this channel on how you can make one. I'll leave a link for you in the description below and a link above as well. So first, trace around your block as usual. Lift your block. Draw in your grain line. Elbow line and the wrist line. Extend it out a little further. Next, we're going to make sure that we smoothen our cap line by reducing the ease that we have there. So we're going to come down by 1 centimeter and square a little line. 1 centimeter from the top, square a line across. Now get your sleeve block pattern. We're going to use it to help us draw our curve lines here. Okay, so what we're going to do is to align our grain line with the grain line at the bottom, like this. Get your awl and just use it to hold the sleeve block there. Now you're gonna pivot your pattern to the left and to the right until it touches the original sleeve cap here. Okay, let's do that. Starting with the left. So now just connect a nice curve from the grain line here up to anywhere where it can blend into the original sleeve. Now we're going to repeat the same with the other side. So this part here, we're not using it anymore. And went down 1 centimeter. Next, we're coming to the underarm point and we're going to square a line using this hemline we have here. Square a line straight down. Let's do that to both sides. Now we're going to extend our elbow line here to the new line that we extended. Now come to the elbow line and mark 1.5 centimeters in, which is our seam allowance, and put a mark there. Now measure from this new point we marked for our seam allowance to the grain line and divide this part into thirds. Do the same on this side, okay? Now square lines using these points. Now cut around your pattern. Now we're going to slash through all these lines too, but not through the sleeve cap here, okay? Let's do that for all. Grab a fresh pattern paper. Put this on the side for now. Just drawing a guideline in the middle of the pattern paper. So this is going to be our grain line. Now grab your slashed sleeve. And we're gonna make sure to align the grain line with the grain line below. The next thing you need to do is to decide on how much flare you want on your hemline. I'm just gonna go with 5 centimeters to make life easy for myself, okay? So first I come to the grain line here and I'm going to divide my 5 centimeters to both sides of the grain line, which means 2.5 centimeters this side and 2.5 centimeters on the other side, and I'll just draw straight lines down. So the next thing we're going to do is to move this edge of our pattern to the new line we just drawn, and do the same on this side. Move it to this new line we drawn, making sure that we're keeping this grain line straight up here, okay? Let's do that. Now I'm gonna come to this edge here, measure 5 centimeters towards the right and draw a straight line. Align this edge to this line and tape it down. Next we come to this point, measure another 5 centimeters out and draw a straight line. Bring this edge to this point. Tape it down. Now we're going to repeat the same to this side, okay? So 5 centimeters out here, draw a straight line. Align this to the line. Tape it down. Five centimeters. Now I'm just gonna connect all these points together to form a nice cave with my curved ruler. Next I'm going to add my hem allowance, which is 1 centimeter. Now I'm going to add my notches to the pattern. And this is going to be our grain line. Labeling the pattern, bell sleeve, cut one pair, and I put my initial. Now cut around your pattern. So that's it. Our bell sleeve pattern is finished. Thank you.